happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the next week from whenever we went to the car show in this video. I got to test out my new Gimble. It's the iSteady 3, I believe. But check this out, man. I thought this was pretty cool. I'm still learning with it, so it's supposed to keep your camera stable and stuff like that. So I'm still learning with it. It's pretty hard to get to use, but I mean, it's got different kind of like joystick controls, and you can do all kinds of different stuff with it. Like time lapses, it'll rotate like on a timer, all kind of cool stuff. But we went to the car show and I just got a little videos of walk arounds and stuff like that. So some of it may not be entertaining or good or anything, but just check out the stabilization on this right here whenever I'm holding it, because it's pretty freaking awesome. But of course you do have to move your arm a certain way, like just a stationary gimbal. If you move your arm just like that right there, like you normally would with a stationary gimbal, it's gonna look really weird. You have to move your arm a certain way with this thing, man, or it's the camera, like say if you go to do like a POV mode and you turn the camera around, it takes it a second to face towards you, but once it does, it will lock right on your face and you can kind of just rotate it around. But it's got like a POV mode that does that, and it's tricky to use, man, but it's a pretty neat little thing, and I'm fixing to try to incorporate a little more of this right here into the channel, so that way I can get a lot more V-roll footage, like just of cars and stuff like that, and just walking around. And I mean, I go to a lot of car shows, drag strips, stuff like that. I might try to do like some 1320 stuff and just get like talk to people at the track and get like videos of their cars and stuff, since I mean I can't just beat on mine all the time, you know what I mean. But went to the car show and I got in a couple of good runs. Well, I wouldn't even really call them good runs, with my buddy Boosted 931. He's got a YouTube channel, so go check him out. He's got a Boosted Coyote, twin turbo GTR, man, he's got it all. He's really up and growing over there for sure. I think he reached 3,000 and some change, and like while we was mid conversation, he got like 100 more subscribers just within like 5 minutes. I mean, it was crazy. But we got in a couple decent little runs. The first run, I blew the tires off. Like I was just, I don't even know. It was like the first time I ever raced my car or something. I mean, it was pretty bad. Like, and I feel like, I think he jumped me. I'm not 100% sure, but like the first horn, the first time that I honked my horn, I don't think that I heard it. So I didn't think he heard it, because I don't even think you could hear it on the camera. But he took off like second honk. But it wouldn't have mattered. I spun so bad. Like I tried to just leave it and drive and just kick it, and that was a no-go. So the second run that we did, I did get the jump on him because evidently he was honking and I was just going 1, 2, 3. We sort of went at the same time, but I mean, I didn't spin this time, so I got out on him a little bit. I mean, but he, you know, he hung in right there. I mean, but you know, GTR is not really, you know, that's not a roll car, you know. I mean, he would just destroy me on the street from a dig, you know. It just wouldn't even be a comparison. You know, street tire for street tire, I mean, absolutely. But that car's pretty fast, man, so y'all go check him out on his channel. But I'm gonna let y'all get to the little video. All it is basically just a little walk around and stuff like that. I do also have, that I'm fixing to be putting on in my next video, I have some BMR stuff right here that is going on. So that's gonna be in my next video. I may not get a whole lot of it because there'll probably be a lot of cussing and just pretty much every cuss word in the book, because I'll probably wind up doing it by myself. But, you know, it is what it is. But you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think about some of the cars. They had a, let's see, a pretty sweet, I want to say it was like a 88 to 90 dually there. They had, there's a bunch of pretty cars. I mean, I didn't get like video roll of every car, but just check out the stabilization on this Gimble, and y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. All right, guys, right here I'm just testing out the Gimble. I met this guy at the gas station. He wanted to check out my car, and I was telling him I had a YouTube channel and stuff. But excuse the quality because I'm still learning with this Gimble. Get this bitch to act right. There we go. I ain't never used this motherfucker before, but see how look how steady it is? Yeah, it's tight though. Only like 80 bucks. That's for the whole thing? No, the camera's like 500. But damn, this little thing right here, like I got like shaky hands. But this right here, man, this shit. I mean, you can go as low as you want. Like 6 inches? 5. Look at this little thing. Yeah, that. Hold it. Yeah, that's badass. That's smooth. Man. Where you get that? Amazon, like 80 bucks. That's badass. Dude, I hit over 3,000. All right, here's our first little run. You'll see like the in-car cam, but he jumped me a little bit and I just tried to stomp it and it did not work.
Sideways. Yeah, I thought you said you got more traction now.
Whoopsie, lied.
All right, this is the same video from the first race where I spun.
I spun too bad. I jumped anyway.
right, and here's footage from the second race where I believe I got the jump on him a little bit because we was kind of mismatched on honking and stuff. All right, this is the second part where you can kind of tell it looks like I jumped a little bit. We was thrown off on who was honking and doing what. So. All right, guys, we come up here to a little car show. We're gonna do a little walking around. Guy cleaning his car.
Yeah, you gotta make it look good because it's slow.
Shit.
I lose looking good.
That's right. Yeah, we was trying to, like, we still ain't had learned how to work this fucking thing. Like, if you do it, it tries to stay straight as possible.
Yeah.
So you kind of have to. You gotta learn how to move your arm.
Oh yeah.
Because, like, say if you try to do a selfie,
It takes a second.
like a POV, it takes it a minute. You got to do it slow.
Yeah. And they put a super damper on it.
1,000 horsepower right here.
Yeah, 700, 710.
Start somewhere else.
Dang, I only got 5% on my damn battery.
Got to charge it, I think.
Do what?
You got to charge it.
I got more batteries. They're just in the car.
You're already too far away. That thing is stupid.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's that big car.
Amazon.
Some good videos on the way here.
Decent. Damn, I have to retie my damn drawstring. I can't keep my britches up. Anybody got some ass I can borrow? Shit. Hell yeah.
What events y'all see?
About 8.
Greg, do a burnout.
Whip Bojangles?
Yeah, I popped some wheelies, but I really, if I wasn't
What kind of kit you got on that thing?
Shit, 250.
God damn.
I'm surprised you got the ass in squatted.
Shit, yeah, North Carolina lean.
Yeah. What do they call that shit? Tooted?
Yeah,
It's
250.
crazy to say when I was in North Carolina. I was like,
270.